Well, good afternoon. Actually, good late afternoon. It's not quite evening time, but the date is March 1st, 2009. So here we are in good old Greenville, South Carolina, and we're elated with joy that it's snowing. All right, here I am. Anyway, my name's Tyler Gilliard, and I'm going to show you how to survive in these conditions. It's quite brutal. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, anyway, we're just gonna go this route first. I need to get some supplies. As you see, I have no backpack on, but you know, I'm just the only thing that's in my pocket is a knife. I would really like a few more items. All right, here's Jakey Boo. Give him a sit. All right, speak. No, sit, speak. All right, let's go outside. Come on, get him. Go get him. What is that, Jake? What is that? Go ahead. Go on. Come on. There's Penny, Jake. What is that? Get it. Get it, Jake. What is that? There he goes. I wish it were waterproof.
Looked around enough to know you're the one I want to go through time with.